This is a diffusive device, and these are natural plant-infused cores. Fume has no vapor, no nicotine, just natural plants. To use your Fume, simply choose your favorite flavor, of course. There's crisp mint, white cranberry, and maple pepper. Fume is safe to use as many times as you'd like, and usually cores last between 1 and 3 days. To use your Fume, first start by pulling the barrel away from the mouthpiece. Next, insert the core towards the mouthpiece, pushing against the spring and down into the body of the Fume, which prevents the core from falling out. Putting the barrel back, you'll notice the barrel can rotate, allowing you to adjust the airflow for the perfect drag. When not in use, rotate the barrel until you feel a large click, indicating the Fume is closed, keeping your cores fresh and dirt out. When you do change your core, be sure to clean your Fume. Each Fume ships with a cleaning kit, one small pipe cleaner, and one microfiber cloth. To clean your Fume, fold the pipe cleaner in half and insert it into the open barrel. Use one end of the pipe cleaner to clean the inside of the mouthpiece. The microfiber cloth is perfect for wiping down the body of the Fume, including the outside of the barrel. To use Fume, adjust the barrel to your preferred drag, and breathe in through the mouthpiece and out through your nose for the full effect. Did you hear that click? Fume was intentionally designed for you to fidget with. Studies show fidgeting can help reduce stress and anxiety. Be sure to fill out your habit tracker as you switch to Fume for a free gift at the end of your first 30 days. And welcome to the Fume family.